Not all of these projects are in need of a major renovation, but they're definitely looking for a facelift. So you can upgrade the trim or add additional features like a textured wall panel, a reclaimed wood beam, or a decorative mantle to really bring the space into your aesthetic and upgrade it to modern times. Cabinetry color is a fun way to experiment. Doing a darker color or a two-tone cabinet, something a little bit bolder, and balancing it with more classic colors help create balance and color in the space. A lot of people love using color in their space, but that can be scary when you're talking about a major renovation like a kitchen. Kitchen renovations can be expensive, so you want to make sure that you're making decisions that can stand the test of time and still show your personality through color and style. We want to have larger spaces for entertaining in the kitchen and the heart of the home, and direct sight lines to other spaces in the house, the living room or the dining room. Additionally, just try to carve out every inch of usable space that you can. So sometimes that means going up with your storage, putting wine racks or bottle storage up at the ceiling height. We always love to incorporate a wallpaper. So finding an area that has an alcove or a specific area to feature is a great place to pop out fun, colorful pattern and color. Overall, the space feels light and bright and balanced, but still very colorful and can stand the test of time.